All right. So this is my syllabus completely. So Google Cloud Data Engineering training here completely. GCP introductions and again GCP interfaces. Completely like basic few interactions will be happening with the GCP Cloud and again GCP interfaces. How to log in and again how to provision all these things. So who are not aware of this GCP Cloud, the basically GCP navigation, GCP cloud creations, and again GCP cloud account creations, navigations, and also like services provisioning, and again accessing everything we are going to see here, and again GCP locations, and again GCP completely. This is IAM and again admin part, and again Linux completely basic Linux things. Then again Python for data engineering, and again GCP data. See, we are going to learn basic Linux commands, and again Python scripting, and also in this some shell scripting also. Shell scripting also we're going to learn. So Nilesh, Pranay, Vishwajit, how many of them are aware of this Linux with the shell scripting and again Python scripting? How many of them are good?
So my profile is currently on Linux, so I'm working on Linux since last 16 years.
Great, that was great. And again, you are great. I think you are very good at shell scripting also, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
great. Anyway, so good to hear that. So meanwhile, few of them are like not aware of this shell scripting and again basic Linux commands, so they can also learn from this class and again completely. How about Python? This Nilesh for you?
I know basics of Python like file handling, getting the data from JSON and all, but need more in-depth knowledge.
Okay, okay, great. That's okay. That's okay, great. So and again Python for data engineering and again GCP data engineering tools like Google Cloud Storage and again Cloud SQL here and again also BigQuery and also completely data proc with the PySpark developments and again Databricks and GCP and again Dataflow, Apache Beam developments and again Cloud PubSub and also like Cloud Composer. I mean DAG creations, everything, and again DAG fusions, and again cloud functions, and again Terraform scripting also. And again, by the end of this course, what we can learn here. So proficient in SQL development, PySpark development skills, and again Apache Beamer development, like mastery, and again DAG creations with cloud composers, notebooks, and again workflows with the Databricks, and again architecture planning, and again solution giving, solution providing, automation providing with ETL pipelines, data pipelines, and again conference certification readiness. This is what basically overall we are going to cover here. So are we clear about this one, right? This was my end-to-end focus. So on top of that, so I used to give completely few of the interview questions also. So few of the interview questions in the sense you guys can see this mine. So this is this guy, whatever I give questions for you, you will be cleared data engineering and you will be going to join. So I mean, if you want to switch your career for the different domains, you guys can switch your careers. So tomorrow is having like final round. So I used to give interview questions. You'll be completely ready and again you'll be cracking. This guy is cracking the CGI. This is a CGI calls. Clear, right? Everyone are clear? Nilesh, Pranay,
Yes.
Vishwa,
Yeah.
Nula.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Completely how many questions they will ask, what exactly they will ask in real time. Even though for 20 years, guys, even though for 2 years, guys, even though for freshers, even for the 5 years, what kind of questions they will ask. It's a common for even though for freshers, even though for 20 years in the data engineering, especially SQL, Python, and again ETL concepts. What kind of data formats you guys are using, and again what is the data visualization tools you guys are using, and again how many dashboards you will be creating, and again what is the data transformations will be happening. All these things we'll see in the live, and also Python is very important in our classes. So is it clear, right? All right. So how many of them we do have GCP Cloud account?
Yeah, I had previously.
Sorry. Okay. You have previously. Great. That's okay. See. Meanwhile, I'll show this GCP Cloud activities logging in. Sorry, I was in mute and again speaking continuously. Mullah, Nilesh, Pranay, Vishwajit. How many of them are good at like in Google Cloud?
No, no,
Mm.
Sorry, your voice is too low.
no, I don't have any account on GCP.
All right, so no worries. So how to create a Google Cloud account and again how to navigate and again how to provision the engines. See, basically we need to learn. If we learn one cloud, that's more than an import enough. Okay, Google Cloud, AWS Cloud, I mean again and again Azure Cloud, right? So in this case, rest of them, Oracle Cloud, SAP Cloud, IBM Cloud, all these are like no their own private clouds, and again they're also made into the public cloud with the platform as a service. Okay, but here what is a cloud? What are the types of cloud? And again, what are the services provided by cloud? And again, how it will be happening? Everything will be able to see in this case scenario. Okay, but now in this case, data engineering, data analyst, and again say apps and again ML apps, right? So all these engineers definitely they should have a very good knowledge in the Google Cloud. Any not only Google Cloud, they should have a very good knowledge in cloud areas, right? So I'll make you guys to make you to understand completely AWS Cloud and again Google Cloud both, right? So I have a Google Cloud also and again AWS Cloud also. You guys can see here Google Cloud is having and again AWS also we're having here. Okay. So in my classes we learn Google Cloud. Okay. The data engineering concept. The tools. So if I show you in this meanwhile, how to create accounts, how to understand the services, everything we can see, right? See, in my class, AWS, we can see Google Cloud also we can see. Data storage is in AWS, Redshift, and again, RDS databases, Aurora, and again, Glue, right? So, and again, also Google Cloud Storage, BigQuery, and we are concentrating Google Cloud Storages, and again, Cloud also it is important. Data, this is Glue in the, what is it to do? Extract load. Then we come to the Google Cloud to data flow. Apache based or inning based, batch based. Right? So stream and batch based so we can use or else MS so we can use. Okay, and for process completely managed Apache Spark very is okay. Orchestration clouds the AWS steps and workflows. Step functions. This if you register as a subject with the AWS cloud against cloud, okay, data engineering concepts. Amazing Kinesis and again Amazon MS. Same thing here also data flow and again upon GCP. Okay, data transfer integrations. Right? Any confusions till now?
No, no.
So here we have two clouds, AWS cloud, cloud understanding, second of us, commands, and showing in real-time scenario how we do deployments. I mean, we require engineering, Google Cloud we required. Same thing for AWS we require. Okay. And again, Python. Yes, Python is differently. We are going to learn here Python, NumPy, Pandas, Num, and also Metapon, all this. And again, GCP, and all this kind of real scenarios, and again, deployments. Any confusions, please remember that. So we can also Google save accounts. You can also create this account through your debit card or else through your QR code also, credit card also. So this Google Cloud resource have you look at engines, then you can start your
Yeah.
we'll discuss engineering in real time scenario, what exactly will be do, what do the data engineering information with the data with the see show here. This is what we need to focus mainly. Data ops for I mean common data supply systems. Okay. So meanwhile, generally data engineering. This is what generally I'm taking any random one. Meanwhile, you have good things. See, data machine learning reverse it is right. But generally, what is data engineering? Any questions? Simple. What is data engineering? Why it is important in real time scenario?
Who do access the data and set the policy?
Correct. Yeah, to handle with the handling, data quality, consistency, scalability, right? And also like time data processing, all this kind of stuff, right? example where we can use the e-commerce applications, data, banking sectors, else any finance, IoT and devices, right? So these are the data engineering real-time view. So, but guys, mainly data engineering, getting the information, and as they will be enabled to check the data, storage processing, right? This is what we'll do end to end. One is infrastructure creation, development, designing, and second thing what we do, creating pipelines, setting databases will be collecting the one data, dumping to the other. In between, we will do with pipeline. This is what scenario, clear, right?
Yes, sure.
So basically, it's running current. So meanwhile, now because of 3 days. So meanwhile, please stay like and meanwhile we will be okay.
Yes.
What happened?